here. Everybody's just hanging out. All the motorcycles coming in. Coming in strong. So yeah, man, this is Lone Star Rally 2022, and it is already packed. It's what, 11 something, bro? Yeah, 11 something, man. And it's already packed out. There's your free hat, Isaiah. Babe, you want that?
Yeah.
I'll take that Cadillac all day.
My bags are pretty full, so like I'm full. Like when I was getting ready to leave yesterday, I was like, motherfucker, I'm taking this motherfucker full. I'll bring mine next year.
The glide's looking tough, man. Strap some chairs for the girls in the back. The lights are looking tough.
I don't need no help, my nigga. I can do that on my own.
So look at that. Hey, there you go, baby.
I said, I use Gorilla Glue at the shop a lot. They should have been giving glue bottles instead of hats.
They're gonna bring it. They're gonna bring it next year. Hey, Gio, you better get working on it, bro. You better get working on it. All right, so also, folks, man, I saw 2147 crew out here, man, with the Turbo Road Glide. If you haven't seen his channel, make sure you go check him out. Killer Road Glide. Killer Road Glide. We're gonna go ahead and continue to hang out, drink some more beer. We'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Just hanging out, sitting here hanging out in the corner, and so yeah, it's been a good day, man. It's been a good day. We've been here since about 11 something, and waiting to see if we see anybody else. Haven't seen anybody else just yet, except 2147 crew. We saw him earlier. I still need to try to get a hold of him, see if I can get a little interview with him, but we're having a good time, man. So we'll see y'all here in a little bit.